Hey guys, Sarah at Caddy Girl Garage. Look what I have. I have a whole box of t-shirts. So I'm going to continue to fulfill orders. If you guys who have already placed orders have been waiting, the wait is over. I am so sorry for the delay. I guess the box actually got delayed because of weather. That's what UPS told me. So anyway, I have a whole box here, all sizes in stock. I also have more stickers. So if you guys haven't seen these yet, there's those, just my logo. And then the shirts. Super soft, super comfy, not like, rough cotton. They're really soft, really nice. I work in these all the time, and it's got our logo on it. So if you guys would like to place an order, I'm doing this little video just to kind of like how to place an order. I've had a couple people say that they've had trouble. I don't have a P.O. box or mailing address set up yet, so I can't accept checks or things like that. So I use either PayPal or Zelle to process the payments. The shirts are $35 each, and the stickers are $5. And right now, it just goes back into supporting the channel and what I do. I love that you guys want to wear my shirts. I appreciate it so much. So I will put my email in the bottom of the video here in a second. You'll see it, and that will get you to my PayPal. And you'll see our logo on there, so you'll know it's me. And like I said, shipping 5, t-shirts 35, and stickers 5. So I would love it if you guys want to buy one. That would be fantastic. So I hope this little video helped you to learn how to place an order, because like I said, I've had a couple people say they've had trouble in the past. So keep up the good work, you guys. I love talking to you guys in the comments. I'm sorry that I'm not keeping up so well. We hit 2,000 followers last night on YouTube. So I am so excited. I can't believe it. It's happened very quickly. I've got a lot more projects coming up. I'm going to do another video here in a minute telling you about our newest project coming in, and still waiting on things for our 60 limousine and our 60 hearse to keep going on that. So I'm just going to continue doing detailing videos on the hearse. That's what we can do for right now, and also inventorying parts. But anyway, as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Love you guys, all of you. Have a blessed day.